Heavy flooding has forced more than 4,000 people from their homes in the town of Cobija in northern Bolivia after the river Acre burst its banks. Heavy rains caused the nearby river Tuanamu to also overflow. Vice President Alvaro Garcia Linera travelled to Cobija to deliver aid to the town. He said some of the neighbourhoods located closest to the river would have to be moved and promised government help to relocate their residents. This resident says, "There are people like me who lost everything. I was only able to get some clothes out, so we can change clothes these days during the flood. But as far as my furniture, beds, household goods, everything has been lost." The mayor of San Pedro de Bolivia on the border with Peru and Brazil said his town had been almost completely swept away by floodwaters.